Now, why are you asking for my ID? You just explained to me about the break-in.
Why are you making this a big deal?
I'm not going to give you my ID because I haven't done anything.
Okay, everyone in this car is detained. Okay, sit in the car or you're going in handcuffs.
I'm not getting anything.
Do not start the car. Get out of the car.
No,
Get out of the car.
Back again with another reaction video. Guys, when I saw this video, shocked me to my core. Unbelievable course of conduct by this officer who handled this investigation. If you know anything about your legal rights, you want to make sure that you place close attention to the following video. This is a situation where the legal rights of this poor individual were completely trampled upon by this officer who was handled this investigation. This is a situation where you want to make sure that you understand what it is that you are entitled to do, what it is that you're entitled to say, but more importantly, what it is that you can afford to do in a situation where an officer is being excessive, is being coercive, and threatening towards your safety. Let's take a close look. Now, mind you, this video is an old incident that happened back in 2019, but in today's day and age, it's vital, it's important, it's still crucial for you to understand what exactly it is that you need to do when it comes down to your legal rights and how to go about in defending them accordingly. Let's take a look.
Hi.
Hi.
How are you?
Hi.
What are you guys doing here?
Waiting to go to Starbucks in a second. Why? Is there a problem? I can't sit here?
Well, actually, let me tell you why I'm here. Okay? I've been having auto break-ins in this parking lot every morning around this time.
Thank you very much.
So I've been driving around here.
Okay.
And I noticed that you guys aren't doing nothing but hanging out.
Yeah, I just got in from
And
Vegas.
Okay. Well, that.
This morning. I've been driving all night.
Okay.
Takes 8 hours to get here.
Well, relax. That's my reason why I'm talking to you.
I'm from here, so I'm not.
Okay.
This is a rental car from the Bay Area, from Oakland.
Okay.
Just because it's got Nevada plates, it's not a.
It's not a Nevada car.
No, I'm not Nevada. I'm
you have your ID on you?
Yeah.
Now picture this. You're on your way home. You've been traveling, long drive. You decide to say, let me go ahead and pull over and get a cup of coffee. I have my family in the car. I want to make sure that I get a quick amount of rest, get a good cup of joe, and make sure that I load up this battery to get back on the road and make sure that I'm not any type of hazard to any other driver on the roadway. You're relaxing inside your car, maybe hot outside, so you have the AC on, kicking back, waiting for this coffee store to open up, when suddenly an officer approaches you, starts knocking on your window. Hey, what are you doing here? What do you mean, what am I doing here, officer? What does it look like I'm doing here? Matter of fact, we even hear the officer says, it looks like you're hanging out.
You guys aren't doing nothing but hanging out.
I may be hanging out, officer. What does it mean to you if I'm hanging out, if I'm sleeping, I'm lawfully parked, I'm not bothering anybody? What do you need? What do you want? Now, mind you, this officer did kindly explain, hey, well, it's because there's some break-ins here that's been going on around the area. What does that have to do with me, officer? I just told you specifically what's going on. Matter of fact, at that point, if I was in that situation, I would have rolled up that window and said goodbye. Kindly and respectfully, but goodbye. These are my rights. I don't have to have any type of explanation for you. There's no need for me to provide any type of explanation for you. Under the law, I'm entitled to rest as long as I'm lawfully parked. I have an intent to ultimately engage in buying up some coffee. There's no need for you to bother me, officer. This is what you guys need to know. Do not allow anybody, including officers, who, mind you, they're there to protect and serve, not to bother you, who go over and try to suddenly question you as to what exactly it is that you're doing there when you're not doing anything wrong, you're not bothering anybody. There's no reason to then include any explanation whatsoever. Rather, you simply say, kindly, officer, I'm going to end this encounter with you. You have yourself a great day and call it a day. Go about your way. Do not lose any time if you're not doing anything wrong. We have the officer now trying to invade in this person's life, this person's time, and trying to figure out, what are you doing here? What do you need? There's no reason for you to come up here and bother me, officer. Just to continue looking at this situation, it's ridiculous.
Okay, so wait a minute. Now, why are you asking for my ID? You just explained to me about the break-in.
Right.
But why did you explain to me about my ID? What's that about? What did I do? What kind of crime did I commit?
What kind of crime did you commit?
Yeah, I'm
Well,
asking
you haven't-
to ask you for my ID.
Yeah, you have to give me your ID.
Why do I have to give you my ID? I
Why?
don't have to give you my ID because I haven't did anything. You started talking about a break-in.
Okay.
I thanked you for informing me that.
Right.
I informed you that I'm resting because I'm about to go into Starbucks, right? I informed you I've been driving all night, right?
Well, Starbucks has been open for about 2 hours.
It's actually been open since 5. I checked my GPS. Okay.
Are you doing anything wrong?
No, I'm not.
So then what's the big deal?
I don't have to give you my ID. I'm not doing anything
Yeah,
wrong.
you do.
No, I don't. No, I don't. No,
You
I
don't?
I know the law. I don't have to give you my ID. I'm not doing anything wrong. I have not did anything wrong.
So
I've not did anything wrong.
So what you're doing now is leading me to believe that you might be doing something wrong.
No, I'm not doing that. So don't try to trump up no charges.
This is where it starts getting really ridiculous from this officer. Now he's demanding this person provide an identification. And he's saying, you have to. Even though he's made it abundantly clear, you're not doing anything wrong, are you? Well, you have to give me this ID? That's completely incorrect, officer. That's not the case whatsoever. Once again, it's vital, it's crucial for you to understand at what point, at least under Texas law, why it is that it's required for you to provide an identification. At this point, there has been 0 arrests taken place, 0 detainment whatsoever. There's no need to provide any identification. My suggestion, that happens to you, roll up the window, tell the officer, wave at him by, continue about your day. You're not doing anything wrong whatsoever. Exercise your rights accordingly. Let's continue watching this ridiculousness.
I saw like get your phone out, start recording. Start recording right now, honey. May I take get Annika on the phone. Get Annika on the phone.
Why are you getting so worked
Because I
up?
gotta have protection.
What do you mean, why am I
Where
getting
this
so
is about
worked
to
up?
go.
Officer,
I
you're
have
here
protection.
invading my
It's not gonna
space,
go
you're invading
anywhere.
my
I can
time, my
cooperate.
life.
So you see this thing right here?
We're not doing anything.
So this is my camera.
Exactly.
Everything's being
Exactly.
everything's being recorded.
Exactly, and I'm not doing anything. That's what did you hear me tell my daughters? Start recording as well. Start
Yeah,
recording
that's
as
fine.
well.
They can record all day.
Yep.
So why are you making this a big deal?
Because I haven't did anything.
You said you're a local resident, or you're from here.
I said I'm originally from here.
Okay.
That's what I just told you.
Well, this could be a completely positive encounter.
Exactly.
Okay.
I'm not going to give you my ID because I haven't done anything.
Okay.
Call Annika right now.
Do you have a valid driver's license?
Yes, I do. Yes,
Okay.
I do. I wouldn't be in this car if I didn't. I can't rent a car without a valid driver's license. Yes, I do.
Okay. Well, I don't know that if you rented this car, right?
Well, what does that have to do? Did we commit
Exactly.
a crime?
No, we didn't.
Right.
Okay.
So what do you need an ID for?
No.
So are you going to refuse to give me your ID?
I am because I haven't done anything. Call your superior. Call your supervisor.
I don't have to do that.
Yes, you do have to do that. Make sure you record that because I'm going. As soon as I leave here, I'm going to 150th and I'm going to the sheriff's department.
That's
And what
fine.
is your name? Give me your information.
I'll give you a card when we're done.
Yeah, give me. You got it. Okay, good. I'm going straight there.
We got that.
Straight there.
We already got that.
Okay. So
We're being harassed for nothing. We're being harassed for nothing.
it's not harassment.
Yes, it is harassment. Yes, it is. I have not did anything.
Okay, hold on, because you explained us the situation about the break-ins. We told you we just got in town, and you're still trying to tell us about an ID for what?
Right.
We
You still
haven't
right.
done anything. Did
Okay.
we break into something?
No.
we
Okay.
haven't.
No. Someone
Therefore,
called and
we
say
don't have
that
to
this
show
car
ID.
broke into not something. No, they didn't.
Did someone tell you this is a car you need to look out for?
Okay.
Exactly. No one did.
Well, guess what?
No.
I'm not in any rush. I can hang out here till you want to give me your ID.
I'm not. I want you to call your sheriff. I want you to call me or call your superior, your supervisor. I'm asking for a supervisor right
So
now.
use the restroom because you got
I sell it.
Well, hold on.
Call 911.
Hold on.
Call 911.
What is going on here?
I'm gonna call the police. I'm gonna call
Okay.
the police.
Don't walk right either. Don't walk behind. Okay, then walk back.
I'm gonna call the
And
police.
you're blocking my way right by our car. Sit on the truck.
No, we're not doing that. Okay, everyone in this car is detained. You can go back in the car and wait,
I'm trying to
or
use the
you can go in handcuffs and go in my car.
She's not gonna go.
Wait a second, officer. You're now demanding that my daughter cannot exit this vehicle? And now you're saying, wait a second, so let's back up a bit here. You first say, well, you're not doing anything wrong. I was just trying to figure out everything was okay. And now suddenly it turns into a situation because I'm exercising my rights. You're saying that I'm now suddenly detained. My daughter can't exit the vehicle. Everyone in the vehicle is detained? Under what premise? This is where this officer is being excessive, is being coercive, is abusing his power, his role as an officer that is meant and sworn to protect and serve rather than abuse his position and his role. At no point has he mentioned, oh, there's a crime going on for you to detain me. This is where is a complete civil rights violation situation. You want to defend your rights accordingly. You want to take action immediately, and you want to consult with a professional that can immediately take this all the way to court if it's needed, and make sure that whoever engaged in this course of conduct, this officer specifically, is held accountable. More importantly, that agency, that county, that city needs to be held responsible for the actions of this officer.
I said, just get in the car. We're not detained.
Yeah.
I'm calling the police right now on you. I'm calling the police on you.
What kind of
Because you came up here and harassed me.
This is why the police.
Exactly.
Yeah, everyone
no,
in this-
we haven't did anything. Sit down.
Just
we
sit in
haven't
the
did
car.
anything.
Can you tell me?
Hi, I
Just sit
need to
in
get
the car.
a police officer immediately to the Starbucks in Castro Valley. I'm being
31
harassed
Well,
by
you may be
an
getting in the car
individual
from
that's
an
saying that
unhappy,
they're a sheriff
Contact.
for
Just
no
FYI.
apparent reason. For no apparent reason.
You can't even detain.
Yeah, I don't even know if they are or not. I was sitting in my vehicle. I had dozed off for a second. Was going to go into Starbucks, and
Negative,
all of a sudden I
they're
get a
just
knock
the
on
cell
my
phone
window,
film and type, and
the
they're on the phone
individual
with
starts
911.
talking about break-ins, and I'm like, what? And then I was like, okay.
He says the cell phone filming type. You mean the exercising lawfully my legal rights officer. This is a complete sham of an investigation. If this case would have gone all the way to court where it was somehow charged against this person, I would have gotten this case to go away in a second. This is not a situation they're going to hold up in court, prove beyond a reasonable doubt any type of charge. This is just ridiculous. This is a situation where, in my opinion, it's a completely abuse of power from this officer.
Okay, sit in the car or you're going in handcuffs. I'm not dealing with this.
I'm going to handcuffs and I have to use the restroom.
You can sit,
I'm
you can
buy
sit,
coffee from Starbucks
you,
and you're
you can
telling me
sit in the car. You can sit in the car.
What am I detained?
Last option, last chance. Sit in the car, you're going to handcuffs.
Handcuffs for what?
Handcuffs for what? She has
31
handcuffs
Adam.
for
We'll start us
what?
at 30.
That was one of the things. You're being a really too excessive right about
Agreed.
now. You're
Being
really
extremely
right now.
excessive.
That's one of the reasons why we
It's not
stopped
right.
here, too. For me to get
Should
coffee,
never
and I was
allow
able
yourself
get go
to
the restroom.
be abused
Oh,
in
no,
this fashion.
You're not going to do that. You're not going to violate and victimize us.
31 Adam. Well, we just occupy times 3.
What if she
We got 2 of them out of the car just running all around, filming us,
This is why the
impeding the
boys wait.
investigation.
I have
Do you hear
individual
yourself
here.
right now?
Hello?
Why is she detained? Do you have an
I
answer?
am in Castro
Do you have
Valley
an answer for
Starbucks.
that?
I just spoke with somebody and I got hung up on.
Do you have an answer for my question? You do not. Thank you very much.
Okay, here comes another car.
You don't have an answer. Sir, do you have an answer to why she's being detained? How we committed
Castro
any
Valley
crime?
Boulevard.
We're just nothing. We're doing nothing, sir.
Okay, they don't want to listen
Okay.
to us, so let's go ahead and
Okay.
detain these 2.
No, you're not going to detain them. No, you're not going to detain them. We haven't did anything. We haven't did anything. We have not did anything.
You guys start the car.
Wait
Get
a
out of the car.
minute. No,
Get out of the car.
Window down. Roll the window down.
Get out of the car.
No, I'm rolling the window down.
Get out of the car.
No, I'm not. I'm rolling the window down.
Get out of the car.
I'm rolling the window down. That's
Get
what
out
I'm
of the
gonna
car.
do. But I see it's rolled down. I
Get
didn't
out of
see
the
it.
car.
I
Get out of the car.
No, I'm not.
Get out of the car.
I haven't did anything. I'll get out. Just don't pull on me. I'll get out.
All right, get out of the car.
Call the police.
Get out of the car.
Get somebody here.
Get out of the car. Get out of the car. This is your last chance to get out of the car, or I'm placing you.
No, you're not placing me under arrest.
Or I'm
I haven't
placing
did
you under
anything.
arrest.
I'm calling someone.
Get out of the car.
I am. You don't have to pull me. I'm getting out now.
Then get out.
Stop it.
Then get out.
Stop it. You're gonna go. You're gonna get in a lot of trouble. So I hope
That's
everything
fine.
is
Stand right here. Stand right here. Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back. You're being detained.
No, I'm not being detained. For what?
You're being detained.
For what?
Put your hand behind your back, or you're gonna go to jail.
No, I'm not going to jail. And you're not going to. No, we're getting the attorney. We're getting an attorney right now. Record everything.
Listen to that closely. The officer says, you're going to be detained. On that same breath of air, he says, you're under arrest. You're going to go to jail. Understand the following. Officers are not lawfully required to tell you the truth. Many, many times over, we have seen it in many of our cases where officers flat out lie directly to your face, knowing that that's a lie, with the effort to intimidate, with the effort to try and coerce you to potentially make certain statements that can then be used against you in a court of law. This is ridiculous, guys. I'm steaming just looking at this video because this is a situation that should not have happened. And unfortunately, we see it time and time again, clearly going on here in this video.
We're getting an attorney. We're getting an attorney. No, we're getting an attorney. We're getting an attorney. We're getting an attorney. The minute.
You're not following any of my instructions.
We haven't done anything.
I haven't even committed a crime.
Exactly.
Put your hands
Don't
behind
worry.
your back.
Don't worry. Don't worry. We're going to the sheriff's department right now.
We have 2 detained, working on a third.
We're getting an attorney. We
Walk
haven't done anything.
Walk over
I
here.
haven't done anything. I'm getting
Walk
my-
over here.
I haven't done anything.
Face
I haven't
this car.
I have not done anything. Don't worry. Don't worry. Don't worry. Don't worry. I don't have no weapons on me. Don't worry. Don't worry. Don't worry.
You can't even answer me.
Hey, don't worry. We're going to go to the sheriff's department. Don't worry. Don't worry. I said.
Put your hands behind your back or you're going to jail. Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your
You're
back.
going to get fired.
You're
You're
going
going to
to
get
jail.
fired. You're going to get fired.
That's fine.
You're going to get fired. You watch.
Have we committed?
Don't worry,
That's fine.
Asala. We got a lawsuit. Don't worry, because we haven't done nothing. We got a lawsuit.
No, I haven't.
We have a lawsuit.
Wait,
Don't worry, we have a lawsuit. We have a
Put your hands
lawsuit.
behind your back.
What crime have we
Put your
committed?
hands
We have
behind
a
your
lawsuit.
back.
Don't worry.
That's fine.
We have a lawsuit. Excuse me, officer. Can you make some sense out of this? We haven't done anything.
All right, walk with me over here.
We haven't done anything.
We're detaining a third.
We haven't done anything. We haven't done
Where
anything.
code for?
And all of a sudden we're getting arrested. Wait a minute.
Is this car open?
We did.
Is this car open?
We haven't, excuse me, we haven't did anything. So can you get I asked for, I don't have a weapon on me.
I'm just
I asked
checking.
for his superior, his supervisor. I asked for a supervisor.
Grab a seat.
This is not how things work, ma'am.
No, what are you talking about? We haven't did anything.
Kick your feet in.
We
You
haven't,
don't demand what we do.
no, I'm not demanding anything.
At this point, it appears that everyone has been taken into custody, everyone has been detained, everyone has been placed in handcuffs. Their liberty has been restrained. In my opinion, that's an arrest.
Not yet.
I think it's unlawful. It's a situation that should not have happened ever.
31 down. Can I get the last 6?
Right now, you're not putting your foot in the car.
I'm asking you.
You're not following our instructions.
Resisting. I'm asking you a question. Why am I being arrested?
Right now, you're being arrested because you're
But
not
what did I
listening
do
to
to
us.
be arrested?
One officer just stated the reason why they detained this person was because they weren't listening to them.
Right now, you're being arrested because you're
But
not
what did I
listening
do
to
to
us.
be arrested?
This is ridiculous. Once again, I'm at a loss for words. It's a situation, once again, that I would certainly suggest it's vital for you to know exactly what your rights are to defend yourself accordingly, exactly in this same scenario, similar situations. You want to avoid this from ever happening. Once again, rolling up that window, back when I told you, it would have avoided all of the situation. Now, if you end up going through the video, you'll realize that these officers engaged in searching a full, thorough search of this vehicle. They even go through the trunk. Now, under Texas law, if somebody is lawfully arrested, officers are now entitled to do what is called an inventory search of the vehicle, even though they may not have your consent, even though they may not have a lawfully search warrant signed. But it's a situation where because there was an arrest that was made, they can then conduct that search. Understand that. Make sure it's clear. Make sure you know exactly what the law is.
Where's your driver's license at?
It's in my wallet.
Okay, which one's that?
It's my black wallet.
The black wallet? Is that in the purse that was right by your feet?
Yes, it is.
Okay. Well, I'm going admin while I
Admin?
talk to my partners.
Figure out what is going on.
Now, as you can see, this officer immediately then mutes his microphone on his body-worn camera. In my experience, that's typically an indication that the officer does not want you to hear exactly what some of the issues are, maybe some of the errors that he committed during this investigation. Clearly, I see many errors that were had. Now, this lady in this video and her family, mind you, did an excellent thing in making sure that they took out their cell phone and immediately started recording, because clearly here, their rights were completely violated, abused, they were harassed. This is not something that you should at least make an effort to engage in. But if you do, if you find yourself in that situation, my suggestion, immediately start recording. Matter of fact, have yourself a dash camera that can record everything without you actually having to have a cell phone to be taken out. Many of the times, they won't even let you do so. But your rights are, you're entitled to do so. You can record anything that you wish, as long as you are in your own space, not bothering anybody. Go ahead and take that cell phone out. Now, after conducting further research, we discovered that these individuals were in the right. They took it to court. They filed lawsuits. And in 2023, a court in California issued verdicts for a total amount of $8,250,000. Just proper compensation for their complete harassment and abused legal rights. Further, there was an internal affairs investigation regarding this incident. Believe it or not, these officers were held not accountable in any way. Matter of fact, they determined that these officers did not do anything wrong. Later down the road, we discovered that these officers, matter of fact, they were promoted. This is not how these officers should have been held accountable for. They should have been reprimanded. They should have issued administrative punishment to make sure that they understand that they completely violated their sworn duty to protect and serve. We're gonna leave it there, guys. As always, comment, like, subscribe. If you have any videos that you'd like for me to go ahead and dissect and react to, send them in. More than happy to do so. Checking out, and until next time, defend your rights.